What's up? It's uh, it's been a while. I was busy working on so many other projects, and I was working on another project and then another, and neither of them are completed yet. But we'll get there soon enough. But while working on one of my scripts, I realized something. So welcome to another episode of something that slightly pisses me off. So I'm gonna make a big deal about it and irritate everyone. Also, do not mind the awful lighting. It's too dark to film right now. And by dark, I mean it's pitch black. It is 11:49 p.m. and it is Halloween. So happy Halloween. Although when this video comes out, it will no longer be Halloween, but still. For the vibes. Anyways, what I wanted to talk about is that nowadays everything seems to fit in a certain criteria. I mean, like exploring different styles and stuff like that seems to have been eliminated, and people just follow whatever is on trend nowadays. For example, every couple of days, a new aesthetic or a style will be trending on social media, and it dominates every single one of my social media platforms, and people are drawn to it like a moth to a flame. I am someone that has always associated aesthetics to personal style, and it can always change, absolutely no doubt about it. But what irks me the most is that people have just, I don't know, stopped exploring. Like, nothing is unique to anyone anymore. I mean, whatever happened to trying something new and absolutely fucking failing at it instead of just following a trend and doing what everyone else is doing? One thing about trends like these and micro trends is that they will always change in a matter of months, and nobody is at a bigger and major advantage than major fast fashion companies. The reason for everything miserable in the world: capitalism. A lot of these fast fashion companies feed off like leeches of these micro trends, and you all just eat it up. For example, Dark Academia, which was something based on romanticizing studying and some amazing movies, became more of a fashion thing. And there's nothing wrong with that, but it also became more of an autumn thing. Let me explain. Autumn and Dark Academia often coincide with each other. Companies just pump out something with the colors maroon, grey, and browns and put the label of being vintage on them, and bam. I would also suggest watching the video by At the Book Leo. She explains this topic further and goes more into detail. And also, just because something says it's vintage doesn't mean it is vintage. Owning vintage things means owning something that already exists, like old lighters, watches, etc., not something made out of cheap materials that will end up in a landfill by the next year. I won't lie, everyone gets excited for the coming of a new season except for summers. I don't like the summers. But yeah, clothes come and go out of the closets, different fruits ripen according to the season and whatnot, and that's the beauty of a new season. But over the years, that has changed. Companies profit off this feeling, like creating products for a limited period of time, just leading people to consume more. And oftentimes, it's not even the product that fascinates them, it's just the thrill of swiping a credit card and owning something new, which you'll forget about in a few days. Having a certain aesthetic or style is great, it's like customizing your character IRL. But over the time, it has changed. It has become more of a competition now. For example, everyone wants to become better than each other to the point where everyone ends up looking exactly like each other. This is kind of the reason why the performative male genre exists. People are just now scared to experiment. They just go along with whatever's trending and then give it up as soon as that trend gets old. With so much tragedy in the world right now, I would understand why the need to constantly consume and hoard and just buying something new for a hit of dopamine and for the feeling of control would lead to stuff like this. Not everything has to be a certain aesthetic or a Pinterest board all the time. You can be messy, you can not follow a certain aesthetic for some time. It's okay. You're not a museum waiting to be observed. All of this isn't for personal satisfaction, it is for show, to the point where consumption becomes your personality. You do not need multiple copies of the same things or books. You do not need a lot of products that are kind of the same just for them to end up in a landfill when you get bored of them. And yes, every time something becomes visually appealing or aesthetic, it is shoved down your throats until you can't escape it. It's all very depressing and just exhausting. Because it creates a need for you to consume all the time, and if you don't, you feel left behind. It's kind of like a man-made FOMO. Not only are we losing our sense of individualism, but also we're losing the sense of what we actually stand for. If you like vintage things, then collect vintage things. The entire point of having this hobby is looking for things that are hard to find, rather than consuming vintage looking things from major companies that you're gonna get bored of eventually every year, and you're gonna look for new things every year. What I'm trying to say, you don't need to own everything you see on social media, which is being promoted by the people who are paid for it. Not everything has to be aesthetic all the time. You can be messy. It's okay. What I'm trying to say is just stop consuming things in the name of aesthetic, because you know you're not going to follow that aesthetic for a long time, and you're just going to throw it away later. Y'all just need to calm down. You need to chill.